Me say nothing like a plate of ackee, no saltfish with fried dumpling in the morning, people. Wagwan, people. Not just check out the sweet source of juice and the good natural food when me and yam this morning. Oh, you mean, cause the wife ever treat we good, you know? I saw it go. And then she have one big old pot of fried dumpling, Jah give thanks for life. So people, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to Jamaica, and welcome to the Ganja God Show. Wow, some good shows, people. We did there, Garden Town. Check out the views, them people. What you mean, sweet pine and ginger. And now we have the June plum with some more ginger, people. Naturality, we say. Naturality, we say. People, if you're there in a garden town, you must come up Ashanti and come get the real ital food, yeah? None of that saya business, real naturality we say. What you mean? So me just give you some views. Yes, I mean, this is when we did going from Castleton to Temple Hall, people. I'm there, so I try to find my way to go downtown, you know. But you know, in Jamaica, you have to understand that sometimes circumstance and situation and only a bangarang can lead you to a road of nothing but beauty, everlasting life, and prosperity. And walking through the hills of Jamaica right now, on the way to Temple Hall, after my bus drive at the taxi man pan the chichi bus, gonna let we have train papers never did so straight. But he come back and circle back and come pick we up after we done walk off the blood clot journey. But either way, you see where I go. Make it for showing you the realness of Jamaica. Here, make it for showing you the beauty of walking through the hills of St. Mary. Oh, you mean? And we land ourselves right back in a town. What a lovely journey it was, my good people. Wanna get a little perspective of Mountain Yard, Kingston, as we say. I mean, our town, as we local people say. And as always, love yourself. Later.